The set includes 2 tutorials, one is beginner basic crochet stitches, and the other is panda crochet pattern. If you are a beginner in crocheting, we recommend starting with the beginner basic crochet stitches tutorial to master the basic crochet techniques. Then, you can begin working on the panda project. The beginner basic crochet stitches tutorial begins with the most fundamental step of holding the yarn and then introduces techniques like slip knot, chain stitch, double crochet, half treble crochet, treble crochet, double treble crochet, triple treble crochet, slip stitch, increasing stitches, decreasing stitches, and how to make a make ring. It also explains crochet symbols and abbreviations and teaches you how to interpret crochet patterns. Additionally, we provide detailed step-by-step video tutorials to assist beginners in mastering the basic crochet techniques. The Panda Crochet Pattern tutorial is specifically focused on the crochet methods required to complete the Panda project. Step-by-step video tutorials are also available on the right to help beginners successfully complete this project. This tutorial starts with the panda's hands and then gradually introduces the crochet methods for legs, body, head, and so on, concluding with instructions on how to assemble the various parts together. We are committed to providing comprehensive support for beginners to ensure your smooth completion of the Panda project. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to contact us.